When the blood flow to and from the liver gets obstructed due to replacement of healthy tissues with scar tissues, it causes liver cirrhosis. As time progresses, the liver reduces in size and becomes hard like leather. Indigestion, nausea and vomiting are the first symptoms of this condition. A person suffers from abdominal pain and loses weight. Foul breath, jaundiced skin and fever are other symptoms. As the condition worsens, red-colored thin spidery markings emerge on the face, neck and arms. Abdominal bloating may also occur. Excessive alcohol consumption is one of the major causes of this disease. Poor nutrition can also lead to cirrhosis of liver. Try out these simple home remedies as suggested in Ayurveda. Take 1 teaspoon of crushed papaya seeds, extract its juice, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, mix it well. Drink this 2 times daily for a month. Take 1 glass of buttermilk. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, also known as jeera. Mix it well. Drink this twice daily. Take a glass of normal water. Squeeze half a lemon into it. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Drink this thrice a day. A mixture of carrot and spinach juice helps get relief from this condition. Eat well and take care of yourself.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.